Okie dokie. So before I get to this video, I want to share with you something that would help you in your Candlestick Pattern Trading series. Alright, go down to my website, tradingwithrainer.com. You can pause this video and just type out this link, alright, or I'll put it below, and scroll to this portion over here. Alright, it's called the Ultimate Guide to Price Action Trading. Click this blue button, enter your email, and click Get Started Now. So what happens is that I will send you this Ultimate Guide to Price Action Trading, which complements your Candlestick Training series that you're watching. Okay, because we will discuss about other stuff like support resistance, market structure, trends, and much more. And all these tools and techniques would complement your Candlestick Training series that you're watching right now. So I highly encourage you to go and get a copy of this Ultimate Guide to Price Action Trading. So with that said, let's go back to our video. Okay, so in this video, I'll be discussing about the shooting star. So the shooting star looks something like this. Okay, so it's basically the opposite of a hammer. This one over here is where the price opened. And you can see that the buyers came in and pushed price all the way up higher. And this is the absolute high for this particular period. And then the sellers came in, reversed all the gains made by the sellers, and eventually closing near the lows over here. So based on this visualization that you've seen, right, it's quite straightforward to know that this candlestick pattern, the shooting star, is a bearish reversal pattern. Sellers are momentarily in control, right, because you can see that the sellers has reversed all the gains made by the buyers, right? The length of the wick, again, ideally at least 2 times the length of the body. And the longer the wick, the greater the price rejection. So in this example, let me share with you a shooting star. So this would be a shooting star, right? A very typical textbook example. The length of the wick 2 times the length of the body, and price is rejecting higher prices. The market is rejecting higher prices. Where else? Let me see. This is another shooting star. Okay. Price has opened here. Then it went all the way up higher, only to get rejected and finally closing near the lows. So these are, a couple of examples of what a shooting star looks like. And similarly, right, as what I've shared in the earlier video, when you see, let's say, for example, a downtrend, okay, and then you spot somewhat of a shooting star over here. Okay, this only serves to reinforce, right, that the this looks like an apple. Okay, but anyway, I'm trying to draw a shooting star here, but this only serves to reinforce that the sellers are still in control. Okay, so this is something to share with you. Don't think that this is a bullish pattern in a downtrend just because you see this wick where it shows that the buyers have stepped in previously, because eventually the buyers exhausted themselves and the sellers came in and took control. So a shooting star in a downtrend is a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. A shooting star is a bearish reversal pattern because it tells you that momentarily the sellers are in control. Doesn't matter whether it happens in an uptrend or a downtrend. It is individually, it is a bearish reversal pattern telling you that these sellers are momentarily in control. So with that said, I'm sure you know that length of the wick to be at least 2 times the body. The longer the wick, the greater the price rejection. And again, just because it's a bearish reversal pattern doesn't mean you trade it in isolation. Right? If the trend is very strong and you see let's say a shooting star, it does not mean you want to go short immediately because you're going against the trend. You still want to take into consideration into how strong the trend is. Is it coming into a area of a market structure, support resistance, and stuff like that. So don't trade this in isolation. I guess the key thing I'm trying to bring across is, understand what this individual candlestick pattern means. Okay, and after which you can use these tools and techniques that you've learned, all right, and make it as part of your trading plan when you take into account, the different elements in your trading, like support resistance, market structure, trend, and stuff like that. Okay, so with that, I have come to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next.